Have you ever thought about turning your trash into treasure? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of recycled garden art, where ordinary waste finds extraordinary purpose. Picture this: a glass bottle, once destined for the landfill, now shining brightly as a garden ornament, or an old tire, reincarnated as a vibrant flower bed. Even a humble tin can become a charming bird feeder. Imagine the possibilities of transforming these everyday items into unique garden art. Ready to dive into the process of creating your own recycled garden art? Let's get started. First, find a material you'd like to transform. An old glass bottle, perhaps? Perfect. Clean it well, and then, with a bit of ingenuity and some birdseed, you've got a charming bird feeder. Or, take a tin can, clean it, add a lick of paint, pop in some soil and a plant, and there you have it, a quaint plant pot. And voila! You've created an amazing piece of art from something that was destined for the trash. The beauty of recycled garden art is not just in the final product, but also in the process of creation. There is an unparalleled joy that comes from crafting something beautiful with your own hands. It's an intimate dance between imagination and reality, where discarded items transform into masterpieces. Experimentation is key, so dabble with different materials and designs. Let your garden be your canvas and your trash, your paint. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, only unique creations. Now that you know the secret of turning trash into treasure, it's your turn to give it a shot. Imagine the fun you'll have, the unique art pieces you'll create, and the positive impact you'll make on our environment. Remember, every small act of reducing, reusing, and recycling counts. So roll up your sleeves, dive into your recycle bin, and let your creativity bloom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting garden art ideas.